Hi guys, trust we are all doing great. So today I'm going to be showing us very quickly how to open and register and get our account verified on the Ultima Brokerage Platform. So the first thing you want to do is click on the link that the person who invited you sent to you. They probably send it to your DMs on WhatsApp or Telegram or your email or on the group chat that you belong to. So when they send you the link to the platform, click on that link and it's going to bring you straight to the account opening page, as you can see on my screen. The next thing you want to do is look at the details. You have country, email, and the rest of them. But on the country, it's going to automatically detect the country that you're in. So if you're in Nigeria, you're going to leave it at Nigeria. And the next thing you want to do is put your email address. So for the sake of this for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using one of my emails, right? And after you put your email, the next thing you want to do is click on request code. So when you click on request code, right, you're going to go back to your email address or your email inbox that you have used and refresh to see the verification code sent to your email. And as you can see here, the code has been sent to my email. Then the next thing you want to do is copy the code and go back to your account opening page and paste the verification code here. So when you paste the verification code here, the next thing you want to do is put your password. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead with a password that Google would suggest for me. Remember, this is a dummy account, just using for the sake of this purpose. This space where you are referred by, you necessarily don't need to put anything there because the person who invited you, you're using their link already, so the system automatically detects and knows who invited you. But if they give you their code, their referral code, you can put it there. But if they do not, just leave it as it is. Then click on tick individual. If you're a company, you can click on company. If you're an individual, you can click on individual, and make sure that you tick I am not a US resident, and also I agree to Ultima using. You don't need to click on this anyways, but just ensure that you click on I am not a US resident. You can leave the second one and click on create account. Oh, so you need to agree to the terms as well. So agree to the second one too, then click create account. So it says please wait, so we wait. And our password is saved. So now the next thing you need to do is put your first name, right? Please ensure consistency with the name on the identification document. So it is very important, right, that you put the details that you're going to use on your document. So all the details you're putting here, make sure that the document you're going to use to verify your account is the same that is going to be on your document. Okay, so we click male or female, you put your gender here, you put your name, right? I can use something, you put your last name, then you put your date of birth. So for the date of birth, we're just going to put something. Then your phone number, you can put your phone number here. So I'm going to use a phone number, then you click on next. So here on the account opening, right, the account you need to create for a start, right, is your recommended MetaTrader 5. So in subsequent videos, you're going to learn about how to create a second account for your copy trade, okay? But for this one, you can just create your recommended MetaTrader 5. So on choose a trading platform, you leave it at recommended MetaTrader 5, and on choose account type you click on raw ECN. On choose account currency you click on USD and you agree and click on next. So now it says that level 1 account opening verification is done. As you can see, there's a ticked box here. So for fast deposits are now possible. For transactions, ID verification is required. So now you don't need to deposit just yet. There are videos where we've explained how to deposit, so I'll suggest you watch that one and focus on just on this one. So now we've opened our account as explained. The second thing now we want to do is to do our ID verification. So you click on ID verification. So we wait for it to load. So it's loaded and it says confirm your country of residence. So if you ask it to confirm again, confirm again. So all other countries except the ones below, right? Then click on continue, and then it starts you on all the details, right? So because these are not the real details, these are not real details, so I will need to proceed further to create this account, because then the system can flag it as a wrong account or a fake account or an error account. But all you need to do is follow through on this process of verification. You've seen how to create the account. I've shown us how to create the account. I've shown us how to start the process of verification, right? So this is the process of verification. So put your first name again, put your middle name, put your last name, put your nationality, which is already there, put your date of birth, right? And then proceed. So now you need to select the type of document you want to use to verify your account. So now you can use your driver's license, you can use your digital NIN slip, you can use your national ID card, voter's card, resident permit, passport. So like I said, I'm going to stop the video here because the next step is just like 1 or 2 more steps. It's very self-explanatory and easy from on here. So after you finish your verification levels, the first, second, and third, we're on the second one. After you're done doing all 3 levels of verification, send your UID and the email address that you have used to register to the person who have invited you, so that you can be onboarded as an IB. Okay, so that's about it. Very simple, very straightforward, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or any inquiry, you can ask from the person who have invited you, and I'm gonna see us in the next one. Bye.